Hey you guys, it's me, Crystal, BH10. If you want to become a fairy, please like, comment, and subscribe. Okay. I'm with my family. Okay, enough. My step-grandma gave me some Columbian stuff, and I kept threatening my sister. I kept threatening my sister to come or not really in a bad way. Just saying if you aren't glad, you can clap. And I just got tired of it. If she comes, then I'll introduce her. But yeah. I want to try these. And this is honest. Sorry about the lighting, but I refuse to go outside. It's cold. It's like 8 degrees. I can smell. It's like really, really chocolatey. It's like an Oreo, it looks like a cheap Oreo, but it tastes really good. Mom looks like it's really dramatic, as you probably could tell. It's like chocolatey. Like really chocolately. That's what I'm calling Columbian taste. Columbian flavor. Not a bad thing. It's okay good. It tastes really, really good. Okay. And my brother gave me a heads up like these. I just want one. He said, I tried one of these already, but not this one. That right there apparently means country in Spanish. I've never done a taste test before. And my dog's barking. Not my dad's. I've been at my dad's for a while, so. Ever since the first video, me being at the park, I've been at my dad's. Okay. He said this isn't as sweet as the one that I've tried. But they come with a sticker. But they're crunchy. First thought, sort of like a Hershey. It's close to Hershey. Oh, what is it? Baby Ruth, I think. It tastes close to like a Baby Ruth. No. This. By the way, I love how my name is spelled. One thing is spelled right. Yes, I hate people spelling my name wrong. Even though it's such an easy word to spell, some people still spell it wrong. They put an I instead of a Y and stuff like that. Annoys me. Annoys the heck out of me. That's my scenery. And this is organic fruit snack. That's what I'm told. It's called. Let's see. First thought, well, just fruit snacks. I've had fruit snacks before, so. Okay. This is what I thought it would be. I got my food right here. Let's see. Orange. As you can tell. Sorry about the lighting being way off. But I'm not at the park because it's too cold. It tastes like orange. It tastes really good though. This one I'm assuming is lime because the picture. I'm not a huge fan of lime, but it's good. Okay. Apparently in these, the sticker is of an animal. Over. Oh, that's it. Like, start Columbian taste. Oh, you guys are on a job. I would bring my dog out for the outro of this, but it's a little cold and she was just out and she hates me for that. So please like, comment, and subscribe, and always remember, you can do what you set your mind to. Bye. By the way, yes, there's going to be a new video tomorrow. This was an off-scheduled one because I need to keep it on the schedule because of Sony's birthday's coming, plus Christmas and stuff. So, and when I start live, tomorrow's video is, spoiler alert, Rosebud's favorite words. So please go and like that one too.